channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the differences between Python and programming. The comparison between Python and programming is akin to comparing a specific language with the broader concept it belongs to. Here is a detailed look at the differences. Programming. What is programming? Programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, debugging, and maintaining the source code of computer programs. It encompasses the entire life cycle of software development. Scope. It is broad and includes all activities related to creating software, including algorithms, design, problem solving, code implementation, and optimization. Languages. There are many programming languages, each with its own syntax, features, and use cases. Examples include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, Ruby, and many more. Concepts. This encompasses fundamental concepts such as algorithms, data structures, control structures, syntax, and semantics. Object-oriented programming, functional programming, debugging, and software engineering principles. Tools and practices. It involves various tools like the IDE, version control system, and practices, agile development, test driving, continuous integration to manage and facilitate the development process. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and wide range of applications. What are the scope in Python? Python is a specific tool within the broader field of programming. It is used to write programs, but it is just one of the many languages that programmers might use. But I prefer using Python because Python, it is very simple to understand, and writing code in it is very easy. So Python is a specific tool within the broader field of programming. It is used to write programs, but it is just one of the many languages that programmers may use. And what are the features of Python? Python has a clear and readable syntax, dynamic typing, automatic memory management, and a comprehensive standard library. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Use cases of Python. It is widely used for web development with frameworks like the Django and Flask. Data science with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, etc. It is also used for automation, scripting, artificial intelligence, and many more. Community and ecosystem. Python has a large and active community contributing to a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks that extend its capabilities. So before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also smash on the notification bell or turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you a notification. You know that it is only through this I'll feel encouraged in creating more videos like this. In summary, programming is a broad discipline that encompasses all activities related to creating software using various programming languages, tools, and methodologies. And then Python. Python is a specific programming language within the broader discipline of programming, known for its readability, ease of use, and versatility across many domains. Python is one of the many tools used in the practice of programming, and its features and ecosystem make it particularly popular for a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching. Still, if you have not yet subscribed, try and subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your notification bell. If possible, share this video so that other people may have the value in it. Thank you. See you in my next video.